Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, SPlayer app not working problem today. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First open your Google Play Store app and now search here SPlayer app and click on the SPlayer app and now click on the uninstall your SPlayer app and now uninstall. Okay, and check your internet connection and back and go to your Play Store and now search here SPlayer app and click on the SPlayer app and now install your SPlayer app. Okay, and back, go to your phone settings and scroll down. Now click on the apps icon and now search here Google Chrome and click on the Google Chrome app and scroll down. Now click on the storage option and now click on the clear check. Okay, back and now search here SPlayer app. No result found. Okay, back, go to Play Store and check SPlayer downloading. Okay, and downloading complete your phone SPlayer app. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.